So, hello everyone. My name is Ms. Siddhi Bagwe Parab. I am the parent of Master Agastya Sandesh Parab. He is learning in EY1 grade of Kanakya International School at Binder. So, we are very grateful about the learning environment here at school, especially the teachers who take so much interest in the development of the curriculum and also make the learning very playful. My son is very excited when he comes home to talk about what he's learned at school, and therefore we get to know about the wholesome environment, the teaching pedagogy skills, and also the interest that the teachers take in the holistic development of my child. I would like to point about the vocabulary skills that he's developed in the EY1 grade. It's been only a year that he's in the school, but he uses a lot of words like "Mama, it's windy here." Or he has just started learning about the life cycle of butterfly. So he comes home, he sees different videos on YouTube, and he talks about how caterpillar builds a chrysalis, how it becomes a pupa, and from pupa how a beautiful butterfly comes out with different colored wings. So that is how we also become it's really heartwarming for us, because we really feel that at such a small age he's trying to put up his thoughts in such a good manner. Behavior wise, he's become very empathetic towards other people. So when we go in, usually in some social settings, he tries to share his things with other kids or with other people in the wherever we go. And also he tries to communicate his thoughts in a proper manner. He doesn't get too irritated or something. He will try to put up his thoughts of whatever he's feeling. So I'm really very happy with the subject horticulture that is there in the school. He has developed an interest in gardening and also the plant that he's got from school. So he tries to nurture that plant, he tries to water the plant. He also has named the plant Juice. So he really takes care of the plant and also the other plants at home. So he will tell us, if the plant is really not well. So Mama, the plant is really not well. We should do something to the plant. We should change the soil. So he will talk all these things about gardening as well. We are really very grateful to the school that my child is able to learn so many things in only one EY1 grade. So we are ensured that he is in the best hands. Thank you.